In this video, we will look at the multiplication formula, how to sort a sheet, and we will review adding and creating a pie chart. So what we have here is a spreadsheet of the Grub and Go food truck. So they're selling coffee. That's in the category of beverage. It's 89 cents each, and they sold 30. So to find out how much their subtotal is, we just need to multiply 89 times 30. So in cell E2, our formula is going to be equal, open parenthesis, C2 times, and for times we use an asterisk, so that is Shift 8 on your keyboard, and then D2, close parenthesis. Let's return. Okay, now there's our answer, 2670. Now I'm going to do that again for soda, but after that we'll just copy the formula. So again, the formula equal, open parenthesis, C3 this time, asterisk, B3. Close my parenthesis, press return. Now I'm going to copy the formula by clicking on the cell, go to the lower right-hand corner, click and drag. All right, for tax, we take our subtotal, and for Pennsylvania, we have a 6% sales tax, so we have to make that a decimal. So that is 0.06. And I emphasize 0.6. It is not 0.6. So here is our formula. Equal, open parenthesis, E2, asterisk, 0.06, close parenthesis. Press return. Drag our formula down. Now you'll see our decimal places are all over the place. We're going to fix that in a second. Now we have a subtotal and tax. We add these two together. Since we're only adding two cells, we're just going to do equal open parenthesis, E2 plus F2. Close parenthesis, press return. Now I'm going to click, drag that down. Okay, so we're going to fix our three columns here. All right, so we're going to select those three columns, and we're going to center line, and we're going to go over here, and we're going to, this says increase decimal places. Okay, so some we want to increase, some we want to decrease. So let's see what happens when we click here. All right, perfect. Gives us 2 decimal places. That's what we want. All right, the next thing is we come down here. We want to find the beverage subtotal. So how much beverages did we sell? So that's going to be in your subtotal column. You'll notice they're not next to each other. So what we want to do is we want to sort our spreadsheet. In this case, we're not sorting everything. We don't want to sort this information down here. We just want to sort this, square up here. So we're going to select that area. Notice I am starting in A1, going all the way down to G11. Now I go to the data menu and click sort range. All right, I want to check off data as a header row. That is my first row with the black shading. I'm going to sort by category. So I click sort, and now you'll see all the beverages, sandwiches, and sides are next to each other. So now it's real easy to find my subtotal. So I see I have 4 beverages. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click. I'm going to use the auto sum. Okay, and then I'm going to go down here, select 4. Okay, I cannot drag these formulas down to copy them because we're adding 4 cells here, 3 and 3. So it wouldn't really work right. We just keep doing this formula. Now, unfortunately, this block's up there, so we do have to get rid of that. Okay, now the reason I know I'm using the subtotals is just because it says subtotal here. If it said total, then I'd probably use this column. So we have 3 sides. There we go. We're going to press return. Okay, our last thing is a grand total. Grand total is the total of the totals. So we click here. We do auto sum. And then we just highlight these numbers. Okay, the last thing that we're actually doing to this spreadsheet is we're going to create a pie chart. We are going to use these 6 cells here. So the 3 categories and the values. So I just highlight, look for my insert chart, I click on it, there is a little bit of time, and there it is. Of course, I don't want this covering my numbers, and I can actually get rid of this now. So there's my pie chart. And that's all we have to do for this one.